Hi there! These are the newly launched JBL Wave Beam 2. Now when you think of JBL, you know you're in for good audio fidelity with JBL's Pure Bass experience. These are their second series of entry-level TWS earbuds and come packed with features like ANC, dual device connectivity support, 40 hours of music playback and more, all for just $3,999. Just amazing. I've been using these for a couple of days and we even got a chance to test the ANC on a flight. Let me share everything in detail so you can decide if these are your next pair of TWS earbuds or not. Let's start with a quick unboxing. So here is the retail packaging. It's come in this butter paper kind of thing. There you go. You can see the image of the buds here. You can scan for warranty registration, active noise cancellation, crisp and clear. Some more details here. Towards the back you can see some manufacturing details and the MRP of $7,499. So without further ado, let's quickly open it up. So right on the top are the buds themselves. Then you have some paperwork which includes the quick start guide. You have the product registration, warranty details and some more paperwork. Then you have two extra pair of ear tips of different sizes. And finally, the signature orange JBL cable. This is a USB-A to USB-C cable. Alright, let's have a closer look at the earbuds. There you go. So you can spot the JBL branding right in the front. Of course, we have the black color. It's also really nice and compact, easily fits in your palm. Weighs just 41 grams. Comes in matte finish, which means it doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges, which I truly appreciate. I don't want it to look dirty. No one wants it to, right? At the bottom here, you can spot the USB-C port, which is to charge the case and the earbuds. Let's open it up. Oh wow, so the best thing is that you can open the lid with just one hand. I always find this feature very, very convenient. And of course, right inside, you can spot the earbuds. Let's remove them. And there you go. So the first thing to notice is the design. This is a buds and a stem design. Looks very nice. You can also spot the JBL branding on the stem. Each earbud comes with two microphones, which is going to assist you for phone calls, for ANC and for many more things. It's really well built, premium looking earbuds. The earbuds come with IP54 rating, so mild splashes and sweat should be fine. We also get Bluetooth 5.3, so longer battery life with more stable connectivity. When it comes to codec, we get SPC and AAC codec support. Then Google Fast Pairing is available. Simply open the lid and you'll see a pairing pop up on your Android phone. Click to pair. Once done, download the JBL Headphones app from the Play Store. Follow the setup process. You'll see the JBL Beam Wave 2 show up. Click and you're ready to use the earbuds in a couple of seconds. More on the app later. Coming to the fit and comfort. Well, as you can see, I'm currently wearing both and they snug in really nicely, blocking most of the passive sound. Just make sure you attach the right size of ear tips for a better seal, which eventually means better sound quality. Trust me, make sure you get the fit right. It will drastically impact the experience. Each earbud weighs at 4.3 grams and you barely feel you're wearing anything. Very comfortable to be worn for long hours. Then we also tried shaking our head. I mean, chakkar aa jayenge, but the earbuds won't fall off. So that's something you should take it off the box. Now, let's talk about the sound. But first you need to know that these come with 8mm dynamic drivers that provide very impressive audio fidelity. The instrument separation is stellar. Crisp vocals with JBL's signature pure bass. I especially want to emphasize the bass has the right amount of thump. It's deep and clear but doesn't pound on your eardrums. It's tuned to perfection, which makes the Beam 2 audio experience super premium. For fans who love that punchy bass, you can select the extreme bass option from the app. It takes the bass to the next level. Apart from that, there are more presets like studio, vocals, jazz. Plus, you can custom set the equalizer as per your preference. It's so handy. The Wave Beam 2 also comes with active noise cancellation. And what better way to test that than on a flight? So we enabled the ANC from the app itself and it makes sure all the white noise is filtered out, providing you crisp, clear audio. Almost 80 to 90% of the engine sound and the flight announcements were cancelled out. All you hear is crystal clear music with no disturbance from the outside world. Best part, I didn't experience the vacuum effect either. It's comfortable to wear on long flights. Also, my favorite thing is to wear them on a flight, turn on ANC and fall asleep. No more crying babies and unwanted announcements. We also discovered a super handy feature on the Wave 2, Relax Sound Mode. You know, there are times when you don't want to listen to music, you just want to relax with nature sounds like forest, bonfire, water. So you can enable these high quality sounds from the app itself. The highlight for me was that you can choose multiple of them at the same time. It's so calming. I'm sure you're gonna love it. By the way, you can also set a timer, so you can set the timer and kind of fall asleep. Truly amazing. Then there's also Smart Ambient Aware, where you can be more aware of your surroundings. It's ideal to be turned on when outdoors. Then there's also Talk Through feature, which you can enable from the app or even with a double tap gesture. The music is lowered to 20% with all the mics turned on, so you can have a proper conversation with the person without actually removing the earbuds from your ear. Very handy. Then we also use these for phone calls. Here's a quick demo. So the audio you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the JBL Wave Beam 2. This is how you would sound to the other person when you're on a call. Each earbud comes with two microphones, which basically cancels out all the external noise, making it ideal for phone calls, indoors as well as outdoors. However, you guys are the best judge. Write in the comments and share your feedback about the sound quality. Then these also come with tap gesture controls, so you can change tracks, pause play the music, toggle on and off ANC, ambient aware, and so much more. Best part, you can custom set each gesture of each earbud separately from the app as per your preference. Super handy. Then we also get multi-point connectivity support. Basically, two devices can be paired at the same time. Like you can pair the earbuds to two phones at the same time, or like I do, one phone and one laptop. Now for example, I'm watching something on my laptop and I receive a phone call. I can answer the phone, talk to the person, hang up, and once the call ends, the audio from the laptop will resume on the earbuds. It's so cool. Then there's also a dedicated video mode that you can enable from the app. This is basically low latency mode, and we tested this while watching movies and videos. The lip sync and the audio was spot on. There was absolutely no noticeable delay or lag. It was super fun watching all this content while you're traveling. Then we also used the same video mode while gaming and had a similar experience. No lag or delay either. If you're into casual gaming, these earbuds will work just fine. Let's have a quick look at the JBL Headphones Companion app. Right here you'll see the JBL Wave Beam 2. As you click on it, here you can see the image of the buds. You can see the battery percentage of each of the buds. Under general, you can see ambient sound control, ambient aware, which is ambient mode. Then there is active noise cancellation. You can toggle it from here. Then there's talk through, which also you can enable from here. Smart audio and smart video, so audio mode, and you can switch to video mode, basically, which is low latency mode. Then further below are gesture controls. You go in here, you can custom set the gestures as per your preference. Voice prompts can be chosen in languages. You can choose English or whichever you want. You can turn off voice prompts if you want to. Under audio, you can set the equalizer. There is an option to custom set the equalizer as well. This is one of my favorite features. You can actually balance out the sound from left to right. So for example, the audio source is not having a balanced audio. You can actually adjust it as per your preference perfectly from here. Very handy feature. Then of course, maximum volume limiter, so you don't get that blazing sound in your ears. Voice aware will basically tell you how loud you are talking. Then if you come up here in others, you have the relaxed sound mode. You can choose the background sound, find my buds, power saving mode, and support. In case there is a software update, that too you will get directly here. Overall, the app is very simple and easy to use. Coming to the battery. So the case comes with a huge 550 mAh battery, while each earbud comes with 50 mAh battery. They provide about 10 hours of music playback on a single charge without ANC and 8 hours with ANC. With the case in total, you get 40 hours of music playback. I think that's crazy cool. The case roughly takes about 2 hours to juice up from 0 to 100%. The JBL Wave Beam 2 is solid in the battery department. Alright, final thoughts. So JBL has trickled down all their premium features like ANC, relaxed sound mode, multi-point connectivity, JBL's Pure Sound to their entry-level earbuds. For $3,999, these are one of the easiest to recommend TWS earbuds. Looking for something premium, which is also feature-packed and doesn't burn a hole in your pocket? These are the one to go for. The Beam 2 are available in multiple colors and are already on sale. I'll share the links of all these color variants in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.